We are dividing polynomials. This first one's pretty simple, actually. How do we handle this right here? Raise your hand. Yes?
Okay, divide 2 to 4. 4x.
4x divided by 2 and negative 8 divided by 2. Yes, we divide and conquer. We have a common denominator, so we can split it up. So this is going to become 2x minus 4. Try this one with your team here. I'll give you about a minute. Okay. Try this one with your team. All right. Next problem. Same sort of example. I'm going to put this up here. Give you a few moments just to work through it with your team. We'll actually have someone come to the board and do it here. X cubed minus 4x squared plus 6x minus 7 all divided by x minus 2. And get x cubed minus 4x squared plus 6x minus 7 all divided by x minus 2. All right. I will give you 45 seconds to do it with your team. 3, 2, 1, my turn. So we're going to do one more problem like this. Just slightly more difficult. 4y cubed minus 6y squared plus 4y minus 1 all divided by 2y minus 1. So what number is going to go right here in the captain's chair? Not 1. 1/2, yeah. 2y minus 1 is equal to 0, so we say 2y is equal to 1, so y is equal to 1/2. Yep, that's the 0, that's the root, so we're going to put 1/2 right up here. I'm going to put my coefficients. 4, negative 6, 4, and negative 1. And I'm going to go to work. Half of 4 is 2. Negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4. Half of negative 4 is negative 2. 4 plus negative 2 is 2. Half of 2 is 1. Negative 1 plus 1 is nothing. There's no remainder to this. There is no remainder to this. So it was y cubed. Now it's going to just become 4y squared minus 4y plus 2. No remainder at the end. Killed it, yep. Multiply it by x squared, get x cubed. Subtract a negative 2 minus negative makes it positive. Okay? I like how we put the minus sign in the middle there. Okay? I normally just put mine in parentheses, but it's a good way to do it. Nice. Then take it times negative 2 to get rid of the negative 2x squared. Then took it times 2x. 2 times x gives me 2x. Then you got negative 3 left over, so it's minus 3 all over x minus 2. That's the long division method. There's also what's called the synthetic division method. There's a synthetic division method. I'm going to do this exact same problem here, slightly different way though. And a lot of you are going to say, oh my gosh, Mr. Q, this is so much easier. And you'll see how they're connected. So I'm going to write down the coefficients for all these. So I've got 1, -4, 6, and 7. 1, -4, 6, and -7. Then, next, I am going to take this term right here and find what the 0 would be. So x minus 2 is equal to 0, so that means it's 2. Still with me? I'm going to put this right here in my captain's chair. Put your pencil down a second, just watch. Okay, your time to copy. The first number is just going to be a 0. I'll explain why in a moment. I'm going to take the 2 times the 1, which gives me 2. And I'm going to add these two together. And I get -2. Okay? 2 times -2 is -4. I'm going to add these two together. And I get 2. 2 times 2 is 4. That gives me -3. Now, since I was just using x here, if I divided x cubed by x, it's got to be 1 lower, right? So the first term is going to be x squared, yes? This is 1x squared minus 2x plus 2. Then I have my remainder right here. Minus 3 over x minus 2. Now you're probably going, whoa, that's really cool, Mr. Kuhne, but whoa, what happened? Take a look at these numbers right here. Okay? So we got the -2 there. Hey, that's where that came from. And the 2 goes with, sorry. Then I've got the -4, but it's a minus +4, so it's a -4 there. This 2, hey, that's right there. But remember, we're subtracting, and even though this is -4 here, the extra negative made it positive. Yes, ma'am?
How did you get the number, the first of the yellow numbers?
These right here?
Yeah.
Each time I'm going to take, so it's 1 minus 0 times 1. 2 times 1 gives me this.
Okay.
And this number right here,
How did you get the second set of yellows?
these right here,
Yeah.
I'm subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1. 4, sorry, addition. -4 plus 2 is -2. 6 plus -4 is 2. I'll give you a chance to, we'll pause here and give you a chance to copy it first. Then you can talk about with your team, see if your team can explain maybe slightly differently than I can, okay? Alright, so we're going to split this up, divide and conquer just like that one. 5a squared b all over 5ab minus 15ab cubed all over 5ab plus 10a cubed b to the 4th all over 5ab. 5 divided by 5, that cancels. B divided by b, that cancels. A squared divided by a is just a. 15 divided by 5 is 3. The a's cancel. B cubed divided by b is just b squared. 10 divided by 5 is 2. A squared b to the 3rd. If you got that right, high five. Pound it with your team, whatever you need to do. You rock.
Yeah.
All right, the next one. to do this problem, Beller. 2,791 divided by 12. So first thing we're going to do here is, well, can 12 go to 2? No. Can 12 go to 27? Yes. So we take 2 times 12 gives us 24, right? Because that gets us the closest. We subtract and we get 3. What do we do next? Bring down the 9. 12 goes into 39 3 times. And that gives us 36, and then we subtract, right? And we get 3. Bring down the 1. Now what do we do? Same thing. How many times is 12 go into 31? Twice. 2 times 12 is 24. We're left with 7, correct? And it's not just 232, it's 232 and 7/12. Yes? We're going to do the exact same thing with polynomials. We're going to do long division with polynomials. Prepare to have your mind blown. X to the 4th minus 3x cubed plus 2x plus 4. And we're going to divide this by x minus 5. So we're going to do the long division method. X to the 4th minus 3x cubed plus, I'm going to do something crazy here, and you're going to go, what did you just do, Mr. Q? I'm going to put plus 0x squared plus 2x plus 4. Okay? The reason I do that is, like if I said 1048, would you write 148? No, the 0 there is the placeholder, right? There's nothing in the hundreds column. Just like here, there's nothing in the x squareds column. Okay? So that's why I put the 0 there. And we're going to divide it by x minus 5. Right. You may want to put your pencils down for just a second. Just watch. I'll give you a chance to copy if you want to. All right. So just like over here, I said 12 times what goes into 27, right? X times what will give me x to the 4th? What's it going to be? Shout it out. X to the 3rd. And then just like over here, I took 2 times 12, gave me 24, and I subtracted it, right? X cubed times x gives me x to the 4th. X cubed times negative 5x gives me negative 5x cubed. And I'm going to subtract it. X to the 4th minus x to the 4th, those cancel. Negative 3x cubed minus negative, so we're doing the same plus. 5x cubed gives me 2x to the 3rd. Just like over here, we brought down the next term. We're going to do the same thing. Plus 0x squared. So, what number times x will give me 2x cubed? 2x squared. 2x squared times x gives me 2x cubed. 2x squared times negative 5 gives me 10x squared. And I'm going to subtract, just like I did here. Those cancel out. 0 minus negative makes it positive. 10x squared plus 2x. And I'm just going to keep going. So what times x will give me 10x squared. Plus 10x. 10x times 5 is 10x squared. 10x times negative 5 is negative 50x. I'm subtracting. Those cancel. 2 minus negative makes a positive, so 52x. Bring down the 4. Gotta be 52, right? Plus 52. 52x. 52 times negative 5 gives me negative 260. So negative negative makes it positive. Now I have a remainder of 264. So it's plus 264 all over. So like here we put it over 12, here we put it over x minus 5. Crazy? Take a few moments, talk through it with your team, put in your own words, and copy it.